will explain the logically interdependent hierarchy of ideas that makes up the context of bodybuilding science.
Hi, this is your entrenador enmascarado, natural bodybuilding for any pocket. This time, our main subject is 1 rep max. Let's begin with our vocabulary. RM, 1 RM, 1 rep max or max load is the maximum weight one can lift on a particular exercise with the correct technique for a single repetition. For our main subject, we have to answer these 3 questions. Number 1, who is 1 RM useful for? Number 2, what is it used for? And number 3, how to do it? To answer the first question, who is 1 RM useful for? Intermediate and advanced bodybuilders are the ones who can benefit from this measurement, meaning the ones with 6 or more months of constant training. Question number 2, what is it used for? Trainers use 1 rep max, number 1, to determine the percentage of weight needed to achieve each one of their clients' or athletes' goal. Number 2, to avoid their athletes' or clients' injury risks. Number 3, to determine the overall progress in power at any given time. Number 4, to overcome plateaus, stagnation. Number 5, to structure a routine. Question number 3, how to do it? There are several methods to measure one's 1 rep max. We're gonna concentrate in the easiest one, using charts. We're gonna need 4 charts. This is the first one. This is the second one. The third one. And the fourth. The first one is a no-brainer. It's just a list of body parts and exercises suggested to measure the 1 rep max. As you can see, isolation exercises aren't used for this. That's to avoid injuries. Now, let's pay attention to the second chart. We can see 2 parts beginning with the word reps on the top row. Those are the repetitions we try to get. This chart measures up to 10 reps. If more can be done, then weight must be added. Under the column saying reps 1 RM, we have the weights lifted written in bold. Here's what you should do. Let's say a man can lift 100 pounds for 5 reps. Now, look for 100 under the 1 RM columns. As you can see, it's in the first one. Follow the row until it gets together with the 5 reps column. And there you have it. That man's 1 rep max or maximum load is 115. A second example. If a woman can lift 370 pounds for 8 reps, how much is her 1 RM? We look for 370 under the 1 rep max columns. We find it in the second column. Follow the row until it meets with the column 8 for reps, and we find 460 pounds. Therefore, that woman's 1 RM is 460 pounds. It means that woman can only perform 1 repetition with 460 pounds under control. Now please, answer these questions as exercises to make sure you know exactly how to use this chart. 1. If an athlete lifts 250 pounds for 6 reps, what is his 1 RM? 2. A woman can lift 235 pounds for 9 reps. What's her 1 RM? 3. A 60-year-old man can lift 150 pounds for 10 reps. What's his 1 rep max? 4. The 5 feet 4 inches tall 19-year-old girl lifts 145 pounds for 2 reps. What's her 1 rep max? Now we must use the third chart. Here's how. Number 1, objective, refers to the goal we're training for. Number 2, intensity is the percentage of weight referring to our measured 1 rep max. Number 3, reps refers to the number of single movements we can perform in a determined exercise. Number 4, the symbol, which is pointing to the left, means less than. Number 5, the symbol pointing to the right means more than. Some examples. 1. An athlete needs endurance, and we know his 1 RM for deadlift is 200 pounds. How many reps per set and how much weight does he need to increase his endurance using deadlifts? We look for the endurance row, and under intensity we see less than 70% of the 1 rep max. We calculate 200 pounds times 70% and we get 140 pounds. These or less are the ones that athlete must use when deadlifting. On the reps we find 10 to 15, so we give the athlete a routine where his deadlift must be done with 140 pounds and sets of 10 to 15 reps. Like this. Exercise, deadlift, weight 140. Sets, we have to see the fourth chart, and reps 10 to 15.